Hello traders. In this video, I'm gonna do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Euro AUD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. What you see on the screen is 4 hour time frame, and we see a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see general direction in the market. We'll look at first of all monthly time frame to see which way the market is heading. Monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you a clear direction in the market. So if you look at monthly, first of all, as you can see, this market historically bearish. This is the monthly trend line which has been respected. From this resistance we have seen a drop, and also from here we have seen every time the price was hitting this level, the price is rejecting from this resistance. So with that resistance, we see there was last time the price has come back here, and we have seen the similar where there is a rejection. Previous months, this is the candle that closed early today. This is the monthly candle, and as you can see that from that level the price rejecting again. Now if you closely look at this close candle on the monthly, which is also significantly bearish, this candle has a strong red body with a long wick at the bottom, and when we see the candle like that, we can expect now at least to feel that monthly wick, or at least to test this support on the monthly perspective. So there is still a gap to fill on the monthly, and we can expect now the price to continue to drop. So if we look at weekly time frame to see how the price action is forming, now from the weekly perspective we see that the same level, the price was respecting this resistance here on the weekly, resistance, and from that same resistance we have seen a rejection, and at the same time we see that there is a weekly head and shoulder has been formed here. So this is the left shoulder, and this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And we see that with this red strong bearish candle, Euro AUD has broken down. Now if we see current weekly candle, we see that this candle, as soon as market open, the price has gone up. It's basically tested this neckline of this head and shoulder. You can see this is the neckline of this head and shoulder. This support here, if you closely look at, this is the support of this neckline of this head and shoulder support here, which has been tested as resistance, and you see that primarily the price is rejecting from this level. What I think that as the price is rejecting from this weekly head and shoulder, we can expect a little drop at least to the support that we are expecting on the monthly, to test the support, either to break or again going up for another retest of this head and shoulder. So looking at daily perspective, we see that from that same zone, this is the support zone here, which we see on the weekly head and shoulder. From the daily, we see this is a clear support here, which acted here as a resistance along with this 20 period moving average on the daily, which is very important area of value. And from that level, we have seen the price has crossed that zone and then strongly rejected. Now if you closely look at, you'll see there is a daily impulse here followed by this correction. Now we can expect another impulse, which is a typical downtrending market structure. Now, at the same time, we see there's a strong liquidity gap on the daily time frame. When the price was creating series of lower high and lower low in the zone, we have seen an unusual movement to the upside on the daily. This is in fact a strong liquidity gap. Now from that liquidity gap, we have seen that euro AUD has dropped. Now if we take our Fibonacci for this move on the daily from the high to the low, we see that euro AUD has been rejected from around 50% Fibonacci level. And what I think that as the price already has done a satisfactory Fibonacci retracement, we can expect now this price to come back to this previous resistance zone above this doji, which is turning support here. At least in that movement, we can expect the price to come today to test this 1.5328 level from the daily perspective. So if we look at 4 hour time frame where we can find a suitable entry opportunity, what we see that from the 4 hour perspective, the price already created a head and shoulder here. As you can see, it's clearly visible head and shoulder, and with that head and shoulder, if we narrow down to a couple of sessions price action, this is where we see an entry opportunity. This is a typical middleman on euro AUD that has grabbed liquidity from couple of sessions high, and also there is a long wick at the bottom, and highly likely that the price will continue to drop at least to this level, which where we see that there is a reversal pattern here as well. The price has broken to the upside, and we are expecting now this neckline of this, when you see a reversal, an inverted head and shoulder breakout from this inverted head and shoulder, we can expect the price to come back and test this previous resistance, which is turning support here on euro AUD. So with that in mind, this is the resistance here, which is turning support here on euro AUD, and what we are waiting currently for a suitable entry opportunity along this zone. What we can expect, as this candle is still almost 3 hours to go, what we could see at some point suitable retracement along this zone. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity on euro AUD for this move to the downside, we'll consider going short on euro AUD with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading euro AUD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.